This is exercise 11.5a. We're in the cell prac, SEL-PRAC drawing and the steps lesson 11 folder. We're looking at lines, numbers, and points. My points have been set at a design that makes it easy to follow. We'll begin with the erase command, and we'll look at different ways that we can select items in our drawing. To begin with, we'll use a window poly, a poly-sided window. We'll type WP, and AutoCAD allows us to draw a window, but it allows us to draw the individual sides of the window, and we can have as many sides as we want. AutoCAD will select anything that is within the window, just as it does with the regular four-sided window, like so. Alright, let's undo that, and we'll look at the next thing. Let's draw a quick rectangle. We'll put it right about here. And we're going to do a trim command this time. AutoCAD wants me to select my cutting edge, and I'm going to select the rectangle, but rather than pick it with my pick box, I'll type L for last. AutoCAD will select the last item that I drew. Now AutoCAD wants me to select the items that I want to trim, and I'll use a fence. F for fence, and I'll simply draw a fence around my rectangle. A fence is something similar to a crossing window in that it will select everything that it actually touches. Now let's erase our rectangle, but again, rather than select it, I'm going to type P so that AutoCAD will select my previous selection set. It'll select the last thing that I used as a selection set. Again, let's undo our changes. Get back to our original drawing. We'll use the erase command this time, but we'll use a crossing poly window. Much like the crossing window, everything that is crossed, touched, or within the window will be selected. But we're allowed to draw as many sides as we want at whatever angle we want. I've selected just about everything in the drawing except the letters, but I don't want to erase everything. The things that I don't want to erase, I want to remove from my set. So I'll type R for remove at the Select Objects prompt. AutoCAD tells me I can remove objects. I'll use a fence to select the objects, and I'll go the lines between E and I, like so. And I want to add one of the lines back in, so I'll type A for add at the Remove Objects prompt. I'll put that line back into my selection set, complete my command, and I have erased selectively the items in my drawing. Now I can undo that and show you the nuclear option. We'll enter our erase command, and when it says select objects, I'm going to type the word all, A-L-L. Hit enter and confirm my set. When I use the all option, AutoCAD selects everything in the drawing that is not on a frozen layer or a layer that's turned off.